How to download and install Skrill application. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can download and install the Skrill application. So how do you do it? The first step is to open your mobile device and then go to your Play Store or App Store, any store where you get your application from. And then once you're in the store, in the search bar, just type out the name Skrill, and then once you're done typing it out, it will be brought out to you. Once you can see it, you can see the option install there. Now that option represents the download and the install option. All right, so you need to just tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will load, and then once it is done loading, it will display the amount of megabytes you need to get the application. On my end, it is 32.57 MB, and then you wait patiently for it to download. Once it is done downloading, automatically it will then be installed on your device. And then this option, this button where you can see cancel, will turn to open. All right, so to open it, just tap on the open option, and then just like that, the application would be opened, and then you have it on your device. So it's that simple, and that is how you can download and install the Skrill application on your device. Ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching.